Hi everyone, and welcome to a Record Manager NACO Functionality Overview video. I'm Nathan.
And I'm Laura.
And we are with the Metadata Quality section here at OCLC. In this video, Laura is going to show us different options in the Search Preferences menu, options for the data type, scope, and index menus, saving your preferences, and preferences for working with records. Laura?
Thanks, Nathan. I'm going to start out logged into Record Manager, and at the bottom of the left panel, you'll see the button for Preferences. We're going to start out by talking about settings for basic searching. The data type option is where you can choose the type of records that you want to have displayed as an option to search from the data type search box. There are 4 to choose from: authority, bibliographic, local bibliographic data, and local holdings records. You can choose to remove those from displaying in the menu by unclicking the check marks. You can also choose the order that you would like the data types to appear in the drop-down menu, as well as the default data type, on which will be the data type presented to you to search on when you first log on to Record Manager.
So, Laura, I noticed an orange dot has appeared when you started making changes. What does that mean?
When you see the orange dot, you'll see that you have unsaved changes here. So in the Searching Basic settings, we've made some changes and haven't saved them yet, and you also see the orange dot over on the Preferences button. So if I click Save, my preferences are saved here, you'll see, and then that orange dot goes away. Now let's look at setting your Authority Basic searching preferences. The first option you can choose is to have the record open for editing when there is only one hit from your search. If you choose not to take advantage of this option, it simply means that there will be an additional click to open the authority record that you've searched if you want to view or edit the record. The second option is to choose whether you would like to include diacritics in your search terms. If searching a name with diacritics and you only want to retrieve records where the diacritics are present in the name, you choose this option. Notice this is not applicable to LC root and expanded browse, but we will cover that more in the searching overview. You have the ability to choose which authority references you would like to have displayed in the search results. You can choose to display C references, See Also references, and heading linking entries. New to Record Manager is the ability to navigate from a See Also reference or heading linking entry to its corresponding authority record when the reference is linked, and we will cover that in another session. The last search preference you have available to choose are the search scopes. You can choose which search scopes you would like to have displayed in the drop-down list. We have Canadiana, GND, Library of Congress, Maori, Mesh, NTA names, and the save file. You can remove these from the list by unchecking any of the boxes. You can also reorder the list by using the up and down arrow. And you can also choose what default search scope that you would like to have appear, which appears the first time you log into Record Manager. Clicking into one of the search scopes, you also see your indexes that you can set preferences for. Again, you can also reorder this list, choose which indexes you would like to have appear in your list, and also set your default. The last category of preferences we're going to talk about is working with records. Here you can specify the default data type for the Create Record dialog of authority or bibliographic data, the default authority type of Canadiana or LC, and most NACO users will have LC as the default. If you have multiple MARC organization codes, you can indicate which code you would like as the default. If you use more than one MARC organization code, then you can use the drop-down menu to choose a different code. When you go to create an authority record, you will be presented with your default values that you can change at the time of create. You're presented with a dialog box when you choose Create if you would like to change your data type, authority type, MARC organization code, and the heading type of the authority record that you're creating. and we will cover create in another session. That concludes the module on setting preferences for working with authority records.
Thanks everyone for listening, and if you're interested in other overview videos for NACO functionality in Record Manager, be sure to check out the Record Manager Community Center page. Bye!
Bye!